Hello everybody, Alyssa here. Welcome back to my channel. We are continuing to create the polka spider web loom or the sol lace web. So after the first step, which was anchoring the thread, the next thing you're gonna do is to start the web. We start by placing our thread to the right side of numbers 1 and 10 in the pattern. And after that, we make a left turn at number 10, or we go around it and then immediately go back up to number 1, this time coming from the left side. Once I'm back up at 1, I turn my thread down and then to the right and then approach number 9 from the right side. We repeat the same process, we border it, and then we go back to number 18. And so from 18 we go down and then we go to number 8 and come back up to number 17. We go down to number 7 and then come back up to 16. And we will do this for the rest of the numbers as follows: 15, 5, 14, 4, 13, 3, 12, and then 2. We go down to 11. Once we're down at 11, we push down on all the rest of the pins except number 11. As you can see, I pushed down on all the pins except number 11. It's still halfway up. So the next step is taking the hanging thread off the marker. We will push it a little bit down so that it is centered, as you can see in here. We push it down and then we are gonna make a little knot. So we're gonna loop it one time, 1, and then we'll loop it again, 2, and then we want to center it as close as we can to the middle, and we are going to keep holding on to it so it doesn't come out. Hold it and then make another knot to secure it. And there we go. So now we have, and then we push down on number 11. So now, as you can see in here, we have made our framework for our sol lace, and in here we have secured it as close as we can to the middle. And that is pretty much the first step towards creating a sol lace. And as you can see, it forms like rays of the sun, which is sol means sun in English. So, and that would be all for today. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Sol Lace, so we can do the next step in the process, which is going to be the weaving. I hope you're all excited for the next step. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.